To find and clean all of the sensors in Shark PowerDetect AV Robot Cleaner model, first of all we'll need to grab our device and to put it upside down. Most of the filters will be located right here. So to clean them, I would use a microfiber cloth sheet with a LCD cleaner solution. Spray it on the cloth sheet and then spread out the solution, and then all we have to do is find the sensors. So there's one sensor on left and right and two sensors at the front. Grab your sheet and then just clean them. Of course you can pay more attention to cleaning and that way just clean them better. Then we can grab our robot and again on the front side we can grab the same sheet and clean this sensor right here. And that way we've just cleaned all of the sensors on our device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.